Welcome! This is what has been going on the Sun today, the 25th of April 2011. In the last 24 hours the Sun has been relatively quiet and we've had just 2 C flares. However, as we shall see later, we've had a couple of beautiful coronal mass ejections. As far as sunspots are concerned, 1193 is right on the west limb. 1195 has remained relatively stable. 1197 has made a little bit of a comeback. There are a couple of small spots where it used to be. And 1196 remains a conglomeration of small spots. However, there seems to be a small group of spots emerging near disk centre, which could become a new region, and there are some small spots coming over the northeast limb. Unfortunately, due to computer problems, I was unable to download any of the stereo data today. So let's take a look at the Solar Dynamics Observer to see what is going on the side of the Sun facing the Earth. First, in the sunspot and magnetic movies, I think the thing to look at here is what's not happening. The active regions are not particularly growing or developing or changing. They all seem to be pretty stable. In the Helium-2 304 movie, there is a spectacular eruption just above the north limb. See if you can catch it. The same eruption can be seen in the Coronal movie if you look very, very carefully. In the composite coronal image, you can see that the bright regions in the northern hemisphere are inching towards our east limb, but still will be several days before they arrive. Now let's take a look at those coronal mass ejections I promised you earlier. For that we go to the Soho-Lasco instrument, but we're still having problems with the C3 instrument, so I'm just going to show 3 repeats of the C2. Here I think you can see a total of 3 coronal mass ejections. One at the beginning off the east limb, almost simultaneously there's a larger one off the west limb, and towards the end there's another one off the northeast limb. The auroral zone is looking very quiet, and the KP index continues to vary between 0 and 3. So in summary then, the sunspot number has fallen to 78, the X-ray background remains at about the B3 level, the radio sun has a value just under 120 solar flux units, the solar wind speed is up to 470 km per second, and the KP index remains quiet. As far as today's forecast is concerned, C flares seem quite possible, M and X flares seem unlikely. We should still continue to get coronal mass ejections, but a chance of a geomagnetic storm is very low. I will be on travel the next few days, so I'll not be able to continue producing the Sun today until Saturday. In the meantime, Alex Young from Goddard is going to produce them for you. So that's it for today. Keep safe. Bye for now.